I'm Vance Taylor. I'm President and General Manager of the North Dakota Mill and Elevator Association. We're the only state-owned mill in the United States, and we're actually the largest commercial flour mill in the U.S. We grind about 25 million bushels of top quality spring wheat and durum that's coming mostly from North Dakota, and producing flour that's shipped to all 50 states and also exported abroad. We're taking the raw wheat into our large terminal elevator, which you see back in the background with the large white bins. We unload about 150 trucks a day to keep up with mill production. That wheat is stored and held and blended separately by protein, mainly into the mill. We have 7 different milling units where different types, different grades of flour are produced, and some blending is done on the flour. This is the roll floor where the wheat is actually ground. These double high stands on this end is first and second break, where we're grinding the kernel, breaking it apart, then grinding what's broken apart again into finer particle size. And then after that, it would go up to sifters where it's separated out into biparticle size and then further ground down the line. So any given particle is going to start on this end and kind of slowly work its way through the mill towards the other end. And a little bit of flour is made during each step of the process. It's kind of a gradual reduction process where the flour is made as the wheat passes through the mill. We have 7 different milling units. Total capacity right now is about 38,000 hundredweights of flour per day. That's 3.8 million pounds of flour every day. We manufacture altogether about 300 different types of flour, counting all the protein levels, ingredients that are added, different types of flour, and bag sizes, and ship to various customers from small bakeries all the way up to the large manufacturers producing pan bread for the grocery store shelves and everything in between. It's a really interesting business, taking a raw material directly off the farm and refining that to produce something that's needed by bakeries across the country. Every wheat crop is different. Every year is a new adventure. But our main goal is to take those varying wheat crops and mill that into a consistent and easy to use flour for the baking industry.